What's going on? He was hungry, innit? Smell the coconut. Oh, no, allow me. Can we say touchdown Dubai?
Yeah, man, I touched
My brother, you know.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of pissed, man.
Why?
I only made 4 bags yesterday, fam.
4 bags.
Yeah, just looking for a
Let's
nice
have a look.
store.
Hold on.
It's not bad, don't get me wrong, it's good. But obviously...
Hold on, wait. See if they can see that. The withdrawal.
Oh yeah, and I withdrew still. Vell showed me a lot. And I want to be making 10 grand a day without sounding too crazy, but it's millionaire type stuff, so...
Someone in the community done a madness.
Oh yeah, my man, what did he do again? 20 grand or something mad.
Yeah, 300.
Bro, I've been trading for 3 years. My man was trading for what? 2-3 days.
2-3 days.
That's on a 20 piece. That's dark.
20 bags. Yeah, $300. Sorry, £370. So £20,000 profit in 2 days. This is just because of gold. Ain't nothing else. Ain't nothing else. Yeah, let's go, Jim. You know, the maddest thing about trading is you can have a mad day, a bad day. What are you doing, fam?
Brush my eyelashes.
Why are you doing that?
So I got long eyelashes.
So why do you brush them?
Because it brings them out more, brings out my eyes more.
Bro. It's one of those things that you
I'm in my light skin era, bro.
Yeah, you just have to be there to see it, man.
Yeah, I'm deep in.
You need to cut your hair, though.
Do you think?
Yeah,
it looks shit when it's low, bro.
You think so?
Yeah, I had it low before.
No, I think...
But I don't let it get higher than this. I'll cut this lower.
I think you had it low like mine. I think you
had it like that before, bro, but I felt
weird.
Yeah.
That's only because I feel like you've had so much different stages with your hair, though.
Yeah, true.
But you can't be doing the high top thing no more, because the kid and play thing it's not it. Do you know what I mean? I need to be looking clean.
I was thinking, should man grow a beard? Because I can. You can see.
You?
Yeah, look, bro.
Yeah.
But I just always cut it.
You might even be better bald, fam. I think you could be.
I wouldn't want to be bald, though. It was crazy.
A lot of people say here in Dubai, like it's like a GTA server. Bro, it actually is a GTA server because there's no limit to the heights that you want to go.
Yeah,
to
anything.
Whereas back home, certain things are not realistic to do.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Here, you can walk down the road with 100 bags in your pocket. Do you know what I'm saying?
It's true.
It's realistic. You're not going to get in trouble by the police.
Yeah.
So yeah, back home,
they'll take that off you.
do you get what I'm trying to say? Like what I said to myself a while ago, some time ago, I said, bro, I can't be stressed if the sun's going to be beating on my head every day.
It's impossible, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Even if I'm stressed, I'll take a day to myself to feel down, but tomorrow I'm back up. If I'm stressed back home, one day becomes tomorrow, which results into a whole 2 weeks that I've been feeling down. And now all of a sudden it's like, fuck it.
Man, just back
it
up.
is what it is. Do you know what I mean?
It's true, bro. It's true.
But here it's like, any car you drive, there's someone that's going to be driving a better car than you. Do you know what I mean? Any bike you have, someone's going to have a better bike than you. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, there's just so much different levels above. You can either look at it like your glass is half full or half empty, bro. You can be the person to say, damn, he's got something more than me. I'm upset about that. Or you can be the person to say, right, he's got that. That's hard.
Yeah.
My turn next.
Trust. It's true.
You know what I'm saying?
It's definitely true still.
So if you've got that positive attitude, bro, like look at this, like we drive past here, all this construction is opportunity, bro. Like you can get off-plan yard here, you can buy a yard here from as little as like a 7-bag down payment. £7,000 down payment.
A whole yard.
It's a down payment for the yard.
Yeah, like
you know what I'm saying? You pay 26 bags every 10 months.
Yeah.
Every 10 months for 4 years, you pay 26 bags.
Very good.
That's very affordable, bro.
That's very good.
Do you know what I'm saying?
That's insane.
It's insane, bro. 7 bags gets you the fucking contract, and then after this,
that's all man needs.
That's all man needs, bro. Yeah. Do you know what I'm saying? That man's paying 26 bags every 10 months. Come on, bro. I just made 16K, and that is what I call a money day. If you want to be able to shout money day too, then Star Trader is the app for you. Star Trader will be giving you a 70% credit bonus, guys, when you deposit over $1,000 US. To get the deposit bonus,
all you simply have to do is scan the QR code, which you can see somewhere on the screen, or click the link in the bio below. Once you've done that, StarTrader offers you thousands of different instruments to be able to trade. Of course, a copy trading app, which means you guys can find me on there and copy my trades too, so that you guys can be screaming money day in blue.
Alright, this is my feel-good song. You can see here we've got the Nasdaq coming down, and we got the Bitcoin Trust that looks like it wants to come down. We're in a bunch of positions right now, and we're in profit. As you can see, it's clapping down. I'm going to take some profits as the low has been taken. And it is a beautiful day, guys. I think I've recorded that just in time. Yeah, we can see the low getting taken. The low is being taken out, and we've got a ton of positions on. All of the right ones. Just gonna go risk-free on all my positions. But closed today, we've got 12,950. This here was my LWV session strategy setup, and I did hesitate, if I'm honest with you, in sending this out. So I sent the trade out round about here. It hit our TP1. TP2 was here, so it was really, really close. I told the community, make sure you're taking profits as and when you please. Nonetheless, okay, this trade is risk-free. So we can now tune out, enjoy the rest of the day, or enjoy the rest of the evening, should I say. And let's see how it goes. Money day. Yeah, push up a bit more. Strong. So, jump this. Hump that. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yo, man. No.
What's this one? That's the Porsches, no?
Nah, I think it's like the Nasdaqs and shit. That's a Porsche there, yeah. Came out the gym, done a solid session with bro today. Solid gorilla session. And we're here in the cars just doing our madness. But you know what? It's race weekend. So they're actually getting us in the mood. Yeah, they're getting us in the mood for race weekend though. We've got a lot of stuff planned up. Bro's got to get a haircut. Trust me. Workout's done. Right, listen. Big weekend, nice weekend. Action packed.
Traded, made money. Everyone in the community made money. Now we're gonna go and eat some food, normal. What more does a man really need apart from money and muscles and food? And I was just about to say that. It's dark.
What advice could you give to anyone about leaving the UK to come to Dubai?
Leave. Especially if we haven't got anything really. I wouldn't say not that people ain't got anything going on, but if you want to just expand, have a new experience, take a go. Because I just left and I ain't going back.